Here's something most parents don't realize about PSLE Math. The questions change every year, but the types of questions, they keep repeating. We have gone through years of PSLE papers and identified 10 question types that come back again and again. Different numbers, different stories, but the same structure underneath. We call that the lock. And once your child recognizes the lock, the method becomes the key. So they stop guessing, they stop restarting halfway, they just solve. When students train this way, 3 things happen. They get faster because they are not wasting time figuring out what to do. Their working gets cleaner and careless mistakes drop because the bright method doesn't fall apart under pressure. We have put together a free PDF covering 2 of the 10 types with questions and full work solutions. Link is in the description. Fill up the form and we'll send it to you. And if you want your child to master all 10 types of questions before PSLE, our 2-day math intensive is happening this June. The details are on the page. I'll drop the link below.